Let's talk about the About Me feature and why you're having trouble getting it and why it's potentially dangerous if you try and get it early before its official release. So if you've been searching on YouTube for this topic and you're wondering how you can get the About Me beta, I want to warn you with some caution that it might be dangerous to try and get this feature before it is released, because some of these tutorials, or let's just say most of the tutorials on this topic, just plain don't work, and they try and get you to install some code that could be potentially sketchy and steal your personal information or your credit card information or something like that. Now, when it comes to features on Discord really likes to take their time and really perfect the feature before they release it to the public. So they do have the About Me in the beta stage, and some users do have it, but it is very difficult to try and get the About Me beta. You can try two options to try and get lucky to get the feature, and that is to install Discord Canary or the development Discord. But like I mentioned, there is a low chance of that actually working for you. But you can go ahead and give it a try. So the best possible solution and why you cannot access it right now is because they are working on it and only a small select number of users have this feature. So in a couple of weeks to a month, maybe they'll release it to the public, and then you'll be able to get the official About Me, not in beta, but the official release version. So that would be your best bet, is to just wait for it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and trends. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.